to survive. Keeping it together and keeping it dry. Sipping on the moonshine, trying to let go. But the world keeps moving, and you gotta keep up the show. And keep moving forward towards some vague idea of a better world and a better you. Keep climbing upwards and try not to fear. Don't look back, and don't look down. Just keep moving. You can't find the part at the end of the goal. Still, you refuse to let yourself fold. Somehow you find some way to cope. Even when you find there's only so much hope. You think of the future, so vague but so clear. When you get it together and you get out of here. Keep climbing upwards and try not to fear. Don't look back, and don't look down. Just keep moving. Don't look back, and don't look down. Just keep moving.